Hello friends, how are you? In this lecture today we will start chemical kinetics, a physical chemistry का part है. This is topic from physical chemistry. You must know what the definition of chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics is the branch of physical chemistry which deals with the study of rate of reaction and factors affecting on rate of reaction. Then question arises that what is the rate of reaction? This is very important and very interesting chemistry. So, what is the definition of rate of reaction? I will take general reaction A plus B or A to product, where A is the reactant and B is the product. Now rate of reaction, we can find average rate of reaction or instantaneous rate of reaction. What is instantaneous rate of reaction? When reaction progress is followed by time, that is said to be instantaneous rate of reaction. For this I will take time on x-axis and concentration of reactant on y-axis. Initially concentration of reactant is more, at the end concentration of product is more, and with the time concentration of reactant will be decreased, and a graphical representation is like this. Suppose here 0 minute I will take time in minute, here 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, etc. Whatever it will be, time. Here 0 moles per dm. Initially I will take suppose 10 moles per dm. Here 8, suppose here 6, whatever it will be, here 4 moles per dm cube, here 2 moles per dm cube, here 1 mole per dm cube, and here it is. So with the time concentration of reactant decreased, so that is why graphical representation is like this. Nowadays this reaction A to B. How to write average rate? So here rate of reaction is equal to, first we must know the definition of rate of reaction. Remember, decrease in concentration of reactant per unit time or increase in concentration of product per unit time is said to be rate of reaction. It is also known as the velocity of reaction. We can write velocity of reaction also. Velocity of reaction. So minus delta A by delta T, average rate, then delta, this minus sign indicates a decrease in concentration of A, or plus delta P divided by delta T, and this delta positive sign indicates increase in concentration of product. And when reaction progress is followed by time, suppose I want to find out a rate of reaction after 10 minutes, in graphical representation it will be like this. Initially when time is 0, then concentration that is 10 moles per dm. After 10 minutes, near about 3 moles per dm when the concentration of reactant decreased. So this rate of reaction is said to be, this rate is said to be instantaneous rate of reaction. When reaction progress is followed by time, then it is known as the rate of, that is instantaneous rate of reaction. So we can write R is equal to, you can take small r also, minus dA by dt Here it is the concentration, decrease in concentration of reactant Kr plus dP by dt. And this positive sign indicates increase in concentration of product. Now tell me, what is the unit of rate of reaction or velocity of reaction? Here in numerator there is a term concentration and in denominator there is a time. So we can write unit. This is very important for any competitive exam. Unit of rate constant is rate of reaction is equal to what? Moles per dm upon time. And moles dm to the power minus 3 time inverse is the rate of reaction. So what is the definition of rate of reaction? Decrease in concentration of reactant per unit time or increase in concentration of product per unit time is said to be rate of reaction, is said to be velocity of reaction. Example, take formation of ammonia. What is that reaction? Nitrogen. Here 1 mole of nitrogen one reacts with 3 moles of hydrogen. It gives, actually it is a reversible reaction here, formation of 2 moles of ammonia. 2 moles of ammonia. Catalyst is required here. But how to write rate of reaction for this? Here the reactants, 2 reactants are there. 2 reactants are there. I will compare this with A plus B, it gives a product. Decrease in concentration of A per unit time, decrease in concentration of B per unit time, plus increase in concentration of P per unit time. We can write like this. Suppose here A plus 2B. Here consumption of 1 mole of A and 2 moles of B, then minus dA by dt is equal to minus 1 by 2 dB by dt is equal to, suppose here 3, and 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 dB by dt. But how? For this I have taken that is synthesis of ammonia. 1 mole of nitrogen when reacts with 3 moles of hydrogen. Then how to write the rate of reaction? See here. Rate of reaction R is equal to minus d by dt of N2, concentration of N2, equal to, here 3 is the coefficient, and a minus 1 by 3 d by dt of H2 plus 1 by 2 d by dt of what? NH3, because here 2 moles of ammonia, that is by 1 by 2. This positive sign indicates increase in concentration of what? Reactant. But how? I will compare formation of ammonia with decomposition of ammonia and disappearance of nitrogen, not ammonia. Here rate of formation of ammonia is double that of a rate of consumption of nitrogen. So here rate of formation of ammonia and d by dt of ammonia is equal to, positive sign indicates formation, double with a rate of disappearance of nitrogen. Here 1 mole of nitrogen, when 1 mole of nitrogen consume, formation of 2 moles of ammonia. So here double minus d by dt of what? N2. Relation number 1. Now compare rate of consumption of hydrogen with the rate of consumption of nitrogen. So here consumption and minus d by dt of H2 is equal to, here consumption of 3 moles of hydrogen while consumption of 1 mole of nitrogen, and a disappearance of 3 moles of hydrogen, then disappearance of 1 mole of nitrogen. So here rate of consumption of hydrogen is thrice with a rate of disappearance of what? Nitrogen. Equation 2. For this equation, we can take 2 to this side, it will be 1 by 2, and we can write here 1 by 2 d by dt of what? Ammonia equal to minus d by dt of N2. For second equation, we can write minus 1 by 3 to this side, minus 1 by 3 d by dt of H2 is equal to minus d by dt of what? N2. From these two equations, right hand side is same. So we can write minus d by dt of N, that is nitrogen, the rate of reaction R is equal to minus d by, in both the terms there is a minus d by dt of N2 only. N2 is equal to minus 1 by 3 d by dt of H2 equal to, here it is a positive and a plus half d by dt of ammonia. This is said to be a rate of reaction in case of ammonia. So what is the rate of reaction or velocity of reaction? Decrease in concentration of reactant per unit time or increase in concentration of product per unit time is said to be rate of reaction. So what is the rate law? What is the order of reaction? What is the molecularity of reaction? In next lecture. If any doubt about rate of reaction, you can put your doubt in comment box. Definitely I will back to you. Thank you.